Hello guys, and today I will be showing you the top 3 best monster trucks. But first we're going to go to the best to the third worst, okay? Number 1, the best one. We got the crab truck. The crab truck. Yes, the crab truck. It's a gigantic basically. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the size of 6 trucks. This truck. Wait. Why is this thing so short? It's the size of 6 of these. Wait, I need to do something. It would take 6 of these to get this guy's freaking height. Okay. Next up, we got the boy that we know and love. The boy that we know in destruction. The Killdozer. This guy. Next up, we got the biggest excavator in the UK. This is what I call the Titanic. Why is this freaking unit on top 3? On 3 and is on like the 3 of this ranking? It is because it doesn't have its story. But the crab, the first creature that the first beast that I showed you, I think it had a origin story, man. This guy right here, the middle on the other side. By the way, dinosaurs go